Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Boardwalk Tycoon, and so guys, this is a really cool game. You should check it out. It's called Boardwalk Tycoon, as you can see at the title. So let's get right into this. Oh my gosh. I played this game before I started my YouTube channel. So yeah, some of you guys might know this game. You played it before. So yeah, yeah, it's how you just build your own Boardwalk Tycoon. It's cool, and you build like places and at a beach and stuff. Yeah, it's just waiting until I can. I hope you like done it because I know some people don't use that. So I don't want to hate my channel. So yeah. And it's really always takes so long to. It's really nice. You can see that I played it before because it's loading my save. So. Some other YouTubers played it. It's really cool. So yeah. If you want to see me play more, down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I make 2 videos every single day. And I don't know why this is taking so long. I have to go into a different. And if we can't play this game, Josh, I'm gonna play Escape. Okay, guys, play this game. Yeah, we're not playing this anymore. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go over to games. Let's go to Flood Escape and yeah. Flood Escape. Flood Escape. And sometimes if I have enough time, I will do 3 videos during a day. Let's see. Gonna keep going. Oh, wait, we passed it. Flood Escape 2. This is Flood Escape 2. I'm doing Flood Escape 2. And yeah. Okay, here we go. to this game, and I'm level 7 on it. I wanna hit. I wanna hit 8 today, guys. Oh, okay. My gosh. Oh, come on. Slum's gonna have to deal with it. It takes long for me so bad then. It'd be really boring. It's time. No! Yikes. No. No! Ah, no. I should have came and stitched. I don't know. You just have it will help you. Am I gonna get like this? I got boots. Okay. Okay, Boward, I believe in you. I can do this. Believe in you. And if you can't hear the, yeah. Copy this. I don't want to. I'm gonna end this video. Short videos. I don't want to watch.